Today we're going to learn how to play Do You Believe in Magic by the Lovin Spoonful. We're going to go over all the chords here. The chords for the intro is going to start with a D minor. So it's a D minor to an E minor to an F, back to an E minor, and then kind of repeat. D minor, E minor, F. Those are the chords for the intro. So D minor, E minor, F, E minor, D minor, E minor, F. Then we go into the verses. The chords for the verses are all exactly the same. You're going to start with the G chord, and then you're going to go to a C and an F. You're going to play that 4 times. C, F, 4 times in a row. And then we're going to play a D minor, an E minor, an F, back to an E minor, and then end the verse on a G. Now those chords are the same for the first verse, for the second verse, third verse. The only part of the song that changes is basically like the outro part of the song. Those chords change a little bit. It's going to be an F and a C. Then you're going to play a D minor, an E minor, an F, and an E minor. And you're going to do that 3 times in a row. D minor, E minor, F, E minor, D minor, E minor, F, E minor. Then you play a G, and then you end the song just going back and forth between an F and a C. That's it. Now what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to play the different parts of the song. I'll play the intro, I'll play the first verse, I'll play the outro part of the song, just so you can see where the chords go in the song. And then we'll go over a strumming pattern you could use at the end. Okay, so the intro. Then you go into the first verse. Do you believe in magic? And the young goes hard. How the music can free you whenever it starts, and it's magic. If the music is groovy, it makes you feel happy like an old-time movie. I'll tell you about the magic, it'll free your soul. It's just like trying to tell a stranger about rock and roll. Do you believe in magic? So that's where the chords are placed for the verses. Now let's go to the outro of the song. Yeah. Do you believe in magic? Yeah. Believe in the magic of a young girl's soul. Believe in the magic of rock and roll. Believe in the magic that can set you free. Ooh, talking about magic. Do you believe? I gotta believe in magic. Do you believe? I gotta believe. Do you believe? I gotta believe. And you just play that until, the song just fades out. So that's where all the chords are placed in the song. Now let's go over the strumming pattern that you could use. So the strumming pattern for this song, when you're playing the C and the F, it's going to be down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And then when you play the D minor, the E minor, the F, and the E minor, the strumming pattern changes a little bit. So down, 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 and then back to the regular pattern. So it's down, 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 up, down, up. So that's where all the chords are placed in the song. That's the strumming pattern that you could use. And I'll see you guys in another one.
His ukulele course just dropped. He's my brother. He taught me how to play ukulele, and I learned in less than 21 days. And you can too. That's our pitch. That's our mission statement. You'll learn all of the main awesome, popular, and wonderful, and lovely, and buff, and strong, and light, and free, and all the great songs, really. That's what I'm trying to say. You'll learn Somewhere Over the Rainbow, Aloha Oi, Can't Help Falling in Love, and of course, and now I'm speechless, over the edge and just breathless. I never thought that I'd get hit by this love again. So yeah, go check out the chorus. We both look like Jonas Brothers, so we had to throw in a little love bug for you there. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. You could learn ukulele fast, and that's impressive. You can impress the ladies with it, and if you are a lady, you can also impress yourself with it because you are a lady. So, gentlemen and my lady, Get the course. You can impress yourself.